Hey guys, how you doing? Steve, welcome to REEF. Brief. Just a little video to, for beginners looking to get into the saltwater aquarium hobby. And this video is inspired by uh, meeting a couple people over the weekend at one of my favorite reef stores, which I'd like to ask them if I could, interview them and just give you guys a quick tour. It's a really awesome place. I didn't even know it existed. It's like literally less than 10 minutes from here. Had no idea. But anyway, I was there buying some stuff last weekend, and one of the workers there, very nice, very knowledgeable, helpful, as everybody is there. It's just, you want to keep going back to this place. He told me that, and he wasn't making fun of him at all, but he's just like, man, so many people, they come in and they look for fish or things, and they're beginners, and we help them. But there were some instances where people wanted saltwater fish because they look really pretty, they look nice, they're different than freshwater, and people have bought them for their freshwater tanks. They didn't know, they just thought. So anyway, this video is for people looking to get into the saltwater aquarium hobby. And then I met a guy who had a freshwater tank, a couple of them, and we were talking, and he showed me pictures of his tank. Looked really nice, fully planted, really, really beautiful. And he said, I'd really like to get into saltwater care, but it just seems like there's so much more work. And he saw me looking at the corals, and he was like, I don't know anything about this. And that's how we started talking. I said, yeah, it is more work. I did have a couple freshwater aquariums, like 10-gallon size, back when I was in high school. There was a lot less work. Saltwater is a lot more work. Most importantly, I should rephrase that and say, there's a lot more to learn. Once you get your tank set up and it's ready to go, it kind of takes care of itself through nature and biology. It just handles itself. But you do need to get it there. You do need to learn things. You do need to learn that you can't put fish in it right away. And I've got videos on all this stuff for beginners and intermediate, but you cannot put fish in your saltwater aquarium right away. Everyone gets excited. They get an aquarium, right? But you can't do it because the main reason, that tank needs to cycle. And cycle means if you put fish in an aquarium, they're going to go to the bathroom. That is urine, and that's ammonia. They're breathing it in. It'll kill them. Ammonia will spread in the water rapidly. The tank needs to cycle first. And that means that tank needs to breed enough bacteria, good bacteria, to overcome the ammonia so the fish don't die. That takes about a month. Anyway, stuff like that a lot of people don't know. Now, when I started in the hobby, I didn't know anything. And I when I decided I'm going to do this, I went to a local reef store, local fish store, and I talked to the guy, and he's talking to me like I kind of knew what I was doing, but I didn't. And I said, I've never done this before. He goes, well, you're going to need live rock. And I'm like, live rock? What is live rock? Stuff like that. So anyway, this is just a video to tell newcomers to the hobby, not to scare you, but there's things you should learn. And I spent about maybe at least a few months before watching YouTube videos before I got an aquarium. I watched videos on all kinds of saltwater aquarium topics. And then I watched multiple versions from different YouTubers because I wanted to see what the differences were and what people were saying. And then if there was a lot of common denominators where they're saying the same thing, then I kind of took that as to be true. If you have 3 YouTubers saying 3 different things, how do you know it's right? So I would keep watching videos till I found enough common denominators and then I would search on those common denominators, and that's how I learned. You know, you do a search for basics of saltwater aquarium, starting a saltwater aquarium, how to start a saltwater aquarium, you know, stuff like that, and build your knowledge. I have a lot of videos on my channel on all that stuff. And if you have questions, ask. I respond to all comments. There's a lot of good channels out there. There are a lot of not good channels out there. Okay? And here's one example. Just one example. I've done a lot of videos on this, as my subscribers know. People are going to be talking about ick and how to get rid of it. Ick is a parasite that lives in your water, and it gets into the flesh of your fish, and it eats them alive, basically. You're going to see a lot of videos on how to get rid of ick. And people say, feed your fish well, feed them garlic. It helps their immune system. That is totally wrong. Another thing you'll find is people will say, stress brings ick into your tank. Stress does not. If you tap on the glass and stress out your fish a lot, that's not going to magically bring an ick parasite into the water. What are these people thinking? So you have to look for common denominators with everything in life, especially this hobby. There are a lot of people who learned from the wrong people, and I kept searching out forums and YouTube videos and even biology websites, okay? That would be your best bet, is to go to biology websites. And I've got how to get ick out of your aquarium, and marine velvet, which will wipe out your whole tank within a couple days, and how it gets in your aquarium. I'm not going to get into any of that now. I've done a ton of videos. Just do a search on my main channel, and you'll find a ton of videos on how to do many different things, or ask away. But I appreciate all of you. I just wanted to make this video just because of those couple people I met last weekend telling me stories about how fish tanks go really bad and how a lot of fish are dying. But I even said, you know, we all make mistakes. I made mistakes, but I didn't want to make the big mistakes. I wanted to learn what's involved with starting a saltwater aquarium in the beginning, so I didn't make any huge mistakes, right? I made mistakes, but I didn't want to. I wanted to avoid the really big ones if I could. So anyway, I'm going to put a video up here, or I can never remember which side. I think it's right there. Yeah, right there. On how to start a saltwater aquarium. It's one of my favorite videos. It's just a whiteboard drawing thing that I did, and it explains the whole cycling of a tank. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for subscribing. And I also have links to all the gear I use in my video description of each video. So I'll see you guys next time. Take care and have a great weekend.